Hey traders, Humanity Crypto has made a huge 250% comeback this week after a massive crash, with the price now trading around $0.30 to $0.31. The big question is this the start of a real recovery and the next bullish trend, or just a temporary bounce before another drop? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Also, member-requested chart analysis is now available on our Patreon page, and you can get 50% off your first month for a limited time. Check the link in the description and bio. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Now, let's dive into the chart analysis.